Do you know many people are having trouble with setting the correct spark plug gap on their Generac 2900 PSI pressure washer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Clean plug area. Step 1. Clean the area around the spark plug to remove any dirt or debris. Step 2. Remove and inspect. Step 2. Remove the spark plug and carefully inspect its condition. Step 3. Measure electrode gap. Step 3. Use a wire feeler gauge to measure the electrode gap of the spark plug. Step 4. Install new plug. Step 4. Install the new spark plug by hand, then tighten it with a spark plug wrench. Step 5. Check spark plug. Step 5. Check the spark plug for pitted or burned electrodes and cracked porcelain. Step 6. Reconnect plug wire. Step 6. Reconnect the spark plug wire securely to complete the process. By following these steps, you should now have the correct spark plug gap set and your Generac 2900 PSI pressure washer running smoothly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Generac users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.